Guys, check it out. 2007 Ram 1500 4.7 liter. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. Converter there, wires into a single 3-inch pipe, and then he wanted it straight pipe and then tucked and dumped. So I'm gonna show you guys what the tucked and dump looks like. So as you guys can see, there's the tailpipes on each side. And then he wanted them tucked and dumped, so we had to do a lot of custom bending there, as you can see, to get it tucked and dumped. This was really big back in the day, and it's coming back again apparently. So we've been doing a lot of tucked and dump lately. But there it is, look at that. Really nice and clean. Right there out the sides, on each side. Tucked and dumped. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. I love that look. It's really clean. And it resonates off the ground. Nice. Nice clean idle on it. It's right at 84. Give it gas. Decibels? Right at 107. Go ahead and back it out. You guys like it?
Yeah, it sounds
perfect.
Man.
All right. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right off Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Shout out, guys. If you need any mobile mechanic work, hit them up. Tell them Exhaust Addict sent you and they'll give you 10% off. That works? 10% off?
Yeah.
All right, so make sure you guys hit them up. Again? All right, perfect. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Again, guys, he told me anybody that comes from Exhaust Addicts gets 10% off any mobile mechanic work. We just did this tucked and dumped 4.7 Ram. Here we go. You can see the tips barely, like, I love it. Really cool dudes, guys. So hit them up. They're really good at what they do. If you guys need any mobile mechanic work, we appreciate them coming in. Only at Exhaust Addicts, guys.